So my goal now, my goal is not to buy another car or buy a house, or my goal is for someone to die, and I'm not playing. You will die.
Sani Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And yes, you've had it right, and you've seen the clip. Today we are speaking about South African Limpopo star Usha Bax, from Limpopo. Please guys, TikTok. Please leave a comment, please press like and watch the adverts. So it was not a good day today at Limpopo High Courts, because they dismissed a bail application again. Usha Bax, meaning he will remain behind bars as he awaits for his trial. And also you must bear in mind, this is the fourth time that the courts have refused, to release him on bail, despite illegal team he must be allowed to return home while awaiting for a trial. And the High Court said, no, we can't. But then maybe let's go down the memory lane. Let's just go back. We would see who is Usha Bax. You've seen the clip right now, but let me remind you. Let me play with your mind. Usha Bax's real name is Ulehlonolo Kahlachotauke, and he comes from Limpopo, Lebo Wahomo. Well, my Zulu, I'm sorry, but this Lebo Wahomo, that is village where he comes from, and they rose to fame through the Limpopo music genre, which is not too big, or was not too big at that time, but when he came, he made sure that almost everyone knew about it, even though we didn't understand stage alone, and the energetic style sakhe, and the conversation, but anyway, the personality most of South Africans people falling in love with him, and as well as his music in the career. But then again, he then started facing legal troubles, over the past years. So utheme sefike enkantolo, amakhesi akhe kwavuka amakhesi amadala aqala from 2025 October. There was a road rage shooting eyenzeke ePolokwane in October 2025. State City Usha Bax wadubula in alteration petrol station, wase egcina eselimaza omunye umuntu owayesemotweni bexabana bekise garage, and wathatha isibhamu wenze njani, wathubula lo muntu ongapha. Then uyadinaya ke yena ke uthi cha no akayazi nalo cala blah blah, but then again icala lakhe hasn't gone on trial because okwamanje ubesafuna bail, so usa remain as an accused kulelo cala lelo, because he's not being convicted of those charges. But then again, in addition to the matter la khulunywa ngayo, our prosecutors also ati ufesa several charges are separated from what akadeboshele on, but he attempted murder, but he assault with intent to cause ulimala, but he robbery, but it's damage of property, yabo kuningi basically. And sizokhumbula ukuthi futhi washona indodakazi yakhe eshayela kabi phuzile yagcina ishonile, so that's culpable homicide also. So now the question mhlawumbe abaningi abayibuza ukuthi, why is the bill denied? During the latest appeal ke Usha Bax ne-legal team yakhe baze ba-offer 100,000 ngeze bail, but they are willing to pay about 100k. Bacela ukuthi hayi bafisa ukuthi abuyele kwifamily yakhe because unengane encane esanda kuzalwa, and lengane izalwe kuphi esengaphakathi jail, so washiya umfazi wakhe emeets. But ijaji uKaren Pillay warula nje wathi nje The defense ke bona abameli bahlulekile ukuveza nje obunye ubufakazi obu-exceptional ukuthi why kuzo-justify ukuthi le lentuzane ikhoti lokuqala ngoba ubeseyozama ukwesifona namhlanje elokhu edeny that is and theyogcina seye-high court wathi akasiboni isidingo sokuthi overturn le judgment yalamakhoti amancane abamtshela ukuthi akanganikezwa ibail because yena he doesn't understand ukuthi why Shebex azonikezwa uthi nje ayikho information entsha basically that's what he's saying, right? So his bail has been denied 3 times and this is the 4th time where he is not successful again. So each time obviously eya ekhoti ilentuzane uvele edomacala masha as a result kusho ukuthi uShebex uzohlala behind the bar until icala lakhe liqhubeke. So estate njengamanje sikumele sikwenzeke njengoba besahleli as we try and present evidence ngempela ecourt ukuthi yebo uShebex lamacala lawa abamfakela wona uwenzile okwangempela. Then on the other side i-defense team yakhe kabameli bazozama ukuthi nabo bazama ukumdefenda ukuthi no hlampa kawenzela, but until then he remains as an awaiting trial prisoner and the court nje wasele refusile ukumnikeza ibail kuzomeleke limthole guilty or not guilty at the end of the day. If he is guilty he will then has to aphume, but if he's not guilty uzothi mephela icala bese ke ayaqhubeka aphinde ahlale khona ejail angayindawo. Basically uboshiwe nje ngeke sisho kanjalo because somehow one of these charges bazomthola ukuthi unecala. The court ke you know injobe thole bethe akangalentuza ngeke akwazi ukuphuma, but obviously it's another setback for uShebex. We've seen the fact ukuthi gain weight, he is more disciplined than anything else, and we remember that uthe sengaphakathi siyaboshiwe kwatholakala ukuthi besenembese ngaphakathi phethe nogwayi phethe nama-cell phone. So when the news was delivered today, her mother and the friends and the family, they all cried because they actually didn't believe what was happening. So yeah, that's it. Shebex remains at the court. Nayo vele waphuma wahamba and wabona ukuthi no, this is not it. But anyway, listen gege for now to what the people of Limpopo are saying. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure that you subscribe on the channel, you leave a message, and yes.
As the Limpopo artist movement, we are disappointed. The senior counsel advocate Lawrence, we believe that he made no offense. I think that there's somebody amongst us who is pushing agenda with the investigating officer, because the judge mentioned the issue of royalties, mentioned the issue of awards, and I'm the one who collected the award at the Meropa. I think it was Song of the Year. There was no money involved. It was just only award, no appreciation, we didn't receive any token of appreciation. You go to Metro FM in Delhi, it was just a nomination. No money there.
Okay, do you perhaps know the name of the person that might be behind it?
No, like I'm saying, there are some people who are pushing agenda. There are some people who want to see Shebe Mapenda destroyed. So, but what I can show the public over there, I've been engaging with the attorney. It's not over. It's not over, but I'm not gonna reveal our next step now. But it's not over until it's over. So we believe that one day another court will grant us bail.
Okay.